Hello and welcome back to our new video. And this video I'll show you how to log into Vinted app, and this app is not available in my region, so I'll just show you how to log in using this website. Simply go on your login page. For that, tap on your three bar and then tap on sign up or login, and it will take you straight to their login page. And if you are using app, it will be a lot easier. You don't have to do all these. It will take you straight to their app and it will take you straight to their login page. Now you'll have to log in using your these platforms, or you can simply tap on login and you can, and then you'll have to select these platforms to log in. Simply choose your platforms and choose your account, and then you'll have to tap on continue button. It will ask you to give them access about your name, profile picture, and email address. Simply tap on continue button, and that is how you can log into your Vinted. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.